NASA is preparing to send America's first asteroid-sampling spacecraft on an ambitious mission. It's called OSIRIS-REx, short for Origin, Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security-Regolith Explorer. OSIRIS-REx is launching on a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket on a mission to the near-Earth asteroid Bennu. Launch preparations kicked off when OSIRIS-REx traveled from Lockheed Martin's facility near Denver, Colorado, and arrived May 20th at Kennedy Space Center aboard an Air Force C-17. It was transported to Kennedy's Payload Hazardous Surfacing Facility for the remainder of its pre-launch processing. On May 23rd, OSIRIS-REx was attached to an overhead crane which carefully moved the spacecraft onto a spin table, where it was rotated the next day in a check of its weight and center of gravity. The solar array panels were removed May 31st, allowing team members to test the deployment mechanism, ensuring the arrays will release properly during flight. The arrays were then inspected, tested, and cleaned, and reinstalled on August 2nd. As OSIRIS-REx went through its pre-launch paces, the Atlas V rocket components arrived. The Centaur upper stage was delivered by truck to Cape Canaveral Air Force Station's Horizontal Integration Facility on July 20th. The first stage booster reached Port Canaveral aboard the Delta Mariner barge on July 29th. Both elements were processed in the Atlas Spaceflight Operations Center before moving to Space Launch Complex 41, where they were assembled vertically, first the booster on August 8th, then the rocket's single solid rocket motor a day later, then the Centaur upper stage on August 11th. The OSIRIS-REx spacecraft was sealed in the protective payload fairing August 24th. Finally, with its pre-launch processing complete, OSIRIS-REx was moved to the launch pad and lifted into place atop the Atlas V rocket on August 29th, setting the stage for its upcoming liftoff on an ambitious mission to the asteroid Bennu.